Be very daring now and look at your good-looking neighbor and tell them your life is about to change.
Your life is about to change.
There we go. Awesome. So, 100%. So we're gonna, basically today, we are gonna be picking up from where we left off last week. By the way, I love your dress. It looks really, really nice. It looks really, really good. All right. We have a lady as well that her daughter's a part of the church family, and she also makes dresses similar to the one that you're wearing there. So it's kind of like it stood out there. But nonetheless, we're going to be picking up from where we left off last week. And last week we were talking on just how to essentially thrive. Everyone say thrive. Right? So how to thrive during tough times, or how to thrive during troublesome times. And we discovered that ultimately the key to thriving during troublesome times is the foundation of having the knowledge of truth. Because you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free. So we are going to be picking up from where we left off last week, and today's session is also vitally important. And I trust and believe that God is going to tune in our ears and our hearts, our minds, our spirit as to that which He wants to release into our lives. Because there's a reason why today, namhlanje, in this day and age and in this season of your life, you do not find yourself in another country, but you find yourself here in South Africa. Okay? There's a reason for that. It's not by chance. There's a reason why today you don't find yourself in Brazil somewhere. Okay? You are here in South Africa. Because God has got ultimately not only a purpose for us as individuals, but He also has a purpose for this country. There's something beautiful about this beautiful country of South Africa, and we have a responsibility as people who reside within this country, all right, even if perhaps you maybe don't come from here, all right, we have a responsibility to rebuild this nation. Every single one of us, okay?